Some peace and love, African family, peace, love, and sunlight. This is Hank Eru from, Jam Tours Africa, the vegan Jamaican, the big bamboo, Mukumboro, herbal tonic. They are with Treasure Man family, and we're at the radio station today. We have a gig at the reggae session. So actually, we're gonna see what going on in the Kenya Broadcasting Corporation situation. So we have to say, Treasure, we have to tell the people that we might see a live on TV in Kenya today.
Well, I say, no matter how it seems hard, just keep trying.
Yeah.
Because only a trial beat a failure.
Yeah, we can't stop trying, we have to win.
So never stop trying.
Yeah.
Anytime you stop trying, you accept so he's a loser. And you see true we're a winner. Nothing beat our failure but a trial.
Yeah.
Holy Emmanuel I King Selassie, Jah Rastafari.
And I live forever. Alright family, let's go inside the studio and see what we can cook up and chop up. You know what I mean?
Chop boss.
Yeah.
Black gold, I'm genuine. Black and beautiful melanin. Know from long time the first of mankind. Reserve life like cherubim. Black gold, I'm genuine. Black and beautiful melanin. Know from long time the first of mankind. Reserve life like cherubim. All nation bow to the black king and the black queen. Some black dream, such art before as not seen. That's why them wanna kill us with them vaccine. One thing I'm certain, in spite the earth, all of the pain and all of the burden. Blackness, no fear behind curtain. I'm a real black gold, genuine soul, walking scroll from days of old. Brave and bold, I've never told. Now in the world I lose my soul. Black gold, I'm genuine. Black and beautiful melanin. Don't know from long time the first of mankind. Preserve life like
each and everywhere you consent in request the hashtag to use is hashtag in reggae. We there, I'll see you.
Yes, I am.
Yes, I
You
am.
should be in the reggae at 254 channel.
Kabisa.
It's Members Day only.
Members only. It's September day.
In a trot too. Don't go there.
Mwaka ndio inaisha kucheza.
2025 in Kanyaga. Yes, I am. But we thank God. We thank the Almighty Judge.
Each and every time.
Yeah, because manze every layer tungekuwa tumefika hapa.
Bana.
Yes, so manze kwa wale wameingia na sisi kwenye social media, big up to yourselves, lazima tupite na nyinyi manze, lakini wewe umekuaje every time?
Each and every time we give thanks.
Yes, I am.
Another good Saturday to bless you with amazing reggae music.
Yeah, man.
We'll go and
Yeah, manze kwa bless na kumenyesha. Kama kumenyesha.
bana. Ndio kupata mjini ndio kumenyesha.
Sisi
We give thanks for the showers of blessings. Yeah, man.
Yes,
Yeah.
each and every time.
Yeah, man.
Yes, kuna watu wamejaa. Unajua before hata tuendelee, unajua Red jana mzee tulikuwa live na ilikuwa ni noma.
Kasa.
Ndani Kasarani Stadium.
Manzi ilikuwa noma.
Na unajua kuna hiyo feeling unasikia kama wewe uko ku live.
Manzi ndani ya ground.
Unaicheck unasikia kumwambia coaches unajua ni aje tu change.
Jamaa atakufanya sana atoke.
Kwa nini jo? Pia manze weekend kulikuwa na shughuli moja big massive sana. Ambayo ilikuwa na manze pia ilikuwa responsible na Kenya Broadcasting Corporation pia in terms of media Rema Festival.
Yes. Yes,
Yeah. And let me tell you from just a fact, reggae music iko na love message. Apart from very amazing. Yani ina speak so deeply. Yeah, man. Kwanza ngoma kama Jimmy Cliff, Shelter of Your Love. That's amazing. And I really want to say your selection is amazing, my DJ. Respect to yourself, my Our social media is Y254 channel. My good name is Marley Moses, the positive warrior to the job. Shooting in a yard reggae. I will see you. Yeah, alongside the bodies from Italy.
Engineering fundamentals each and every time.
Yes, I am.
Yes,
DJ
Yeah.
extraordinary. Conceived by love, rose in loyalty. She gave birth to Israel, His Majesty. But the ancient corner, yet so utterly. Ethiopian preachers to be on duty. Bless my love, charismatically. Approves my relation, truly.
Woman love for a prince who love her as a princess.
The lover as a lioness.
The woman love for a prince who love her as a princess. Said she need a lion to love her as a lioness. Woman, infinite temptation. Merge yourself, choose it with the ocean from the time of the sun.
In adoration, from the passions of light, she's the moderation.
From the mention when those are reminded to what you
Fornication, those are reminded. Each other controls, those are reminded. Separation of thought, preserve her.
woman love for a prince who love her as a princess. Said she need a lion to love her as a lioness. Woman love for a prince who love her as a princess.
Two types of people in this world. Each good and each bad.
Back.
Hey, I'm if you tell about people.
Indigenous people, hey.
From my friends to the top to the family, don't do call me a speaker. Two types of people in this world. Each good and each
I will tell you about people, indigenous people, hey. From my friends to the top to my family, don't do call me a speaker. Let me tell you about people, and if you love paper, hey. Some birds smile on your face and some birds on your back, and so you never meet to. Some people with rich and wealthy, some people are poor and healthy, some people are rich and greedy, some people are poor and needy, some people carry it all, some people are lonely at all. Where the men working so hard is fighting, going through the wall. Tell you about real OG, man, a mix fix, you know, in no quick fix. I create from my mind, man, a mix fix. We're a brand new song, and I hit, twist, biscuit. Work on dream, hard already, when me think we don't try. I'm gonna learn to find where we are come from, still me beat me head high. Tell you about people, indigenous people, hey. From friends to the top to the family, don't do call me as people. If you tell you about people, different people, hey. Some might start on your face and the front on your back, and it's all never be true. Spin another one, spin another one. I'm gonna let you know, spin another one. Tell me the one brother, what's the up mind winning one brother? Make me hot grabber, grabber. Alright, the right one, spin on your shit, the right hand. Let me tell you about people, indigenous people. From a friend's street,
Nice one, nice one, nice one.